Hi, we were trying to bring this ECCE Asia to India for the first time. It is a flagship conference for the Power Electronics Society, and unfortunately, none of the flagship conferences were being held in India. So we have been trying for the last 4 years to bring it to India, and finally we have succeeded to bring the first ECCE Asia to India, and we are here. A lot of expectations are there because ECCE Asia runs around between China, Japan, Korea, and the fourth year is the Power Electronics Society. So it has been happening in other parts of the world. In 2013, it was held in Australia. 2017, it was held in Taipei. Then in 2021, it was held in Singapore, where I was the organizing chair. So after 2021, we worked hard to bring it to India, Bangalore in 2025, and we were successful, although there are some hindrance on the way to bring it to India. People are happy, the hotel venue is fantastic, but still there are improvements to be done to bring it to the international level. One example is the timing has to be properly followed as an international standard, and we still need to work a little bit hard on that particular part. But so far during the opening and last night welcome reception, everything went well, and I hope the rest of the 2 days or 2.5 days will go as we have planned, and we look forward to the feedback from the other people also, how we have done to bring the ECCE Asia to India, and hope that in future, 4 years down the road, the PEL Society will make India as a permanent partner, China, Japan, Korea, and India, so that we don't need to look for ECCE Asia as a fourth partner other country, and India could be a permanent one. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.